name is Christopher Lee. I'm the executive chef at Huntington Social in Huntington, New York. The question is, how do we cook down apple juice to make a glaze? So there is a little technique to it. There is a little trick to the trade. The most important factor is a really hot pan. Because when you're dealing with fresh juices, whether it's apple juice, pomegranate juice, you want it to reduce fast. That helps preserve the color, and also from long-term or slow cookery could actually burn and turn the natural sugars into a little bitter. So we've been heating up a pan pretty warm, and then we're going to add our apple juice. At the same time, we're going to add just a little Calvados, a little flavor. I tend to add it after I add the juice, because if I add the Calvados in a hot pan, it will ignite in a flame, and that could cause some burning. So I always do the fruit juice first, then add the little liqueur, whatever you want to use afterwards. It's going to reduce down, so it's going to evaporate all the alcohol, evaporate out of it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm also going to add a little sugar. The sugar will help us build a little body to the glaze. And then basically, you got to let it reduce. And at this point, it's going to take about 5-10 minutes, and you want it to be really fast. You don't want it to be slow. You want it to be boiling. Now, when you're dealing with big batches of juices to reduce, whether it's apple juice or something else, you just want to be careful about the sides. If you notice your sides of the pot are burning from residual sugar, you're going to want to change the pots out to a new or clean pot, or wipe the sides down with a brush with a little water. So it's been about 5 minutes, and we got our beautiful apple juice and a little of the Calvados reducing to this awesome glaze. You can see it. What we can do to help, maybe you can see it, just got a little butter to it, and the butter just will help us get a little shine to our glaze. And this could be awesome on a pork chop. This could replace honey on some biscuits. You could go, you put this on maybe on some scallops. Sky's the limit, really. It's just that beautiful apple glaze that has apple juice, has a little of the liqueur, and then finish with a little butter. And you can see it just in this great glaze. Delicious.